Hey guys and gals, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple locations to your calendar. So when we have the calendar function inside of ClickHubs or HighLevel, if you have your own HighLevel account, you have the option of showing multiple locations. So when somebody books an appointment, they can choose whether they want to book, for example, via Zoom, or maybe they want to have a phone meeting with you. So it will show your phone number, or possibly in-person meeting where it shows your address, or maybe Google Meets. So you have the option of setting up multiple choices so people can select which option they prefer to meet on when they're booking your appointment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. There's a few things that you have to know. So it doesn't work with every calendar type, and there's a couple other caveats as well. So let's jump into the video. Make sure you watch till the end, and I'll cover all three of those things that you have to be aware of before you set this up, so that you're not trying to set it up and figure out why it's not working. Before we jump into it, let's make sure, if you're not subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button down below, like this video, and leave a comment. We reply to every comment, so we really appreciate you guys watching. Now let's just jump straight into it, and I'll see you on the other side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom location or multiple custom locations to your booking calendars, so that when somebody's booking an appointment with you, they have the option of choosing how they want to meet with you. And so here's a demo calendar I have set up. So I'm just going to select a time here and then select. And you can see here we have first name, last name, phone number, and email. And then we have select preferred location. Now typically this just defaults to a single location, so this does not show. But if you want to have multiple options for people that are booking appointments with you, you can set this up very easily. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. And so now you can see I have the options for Zoom, Google Meet, phone, custom meeting, and then I can make this label whatever I want it to be and have this link go to wherever I want it to go, or elsewhere. And this option allows your client or your contact that's booking the appointment the option of suggesting where they would like to meet. You can also have address in here, as well as a couple other options. And so once you select that and fill this out and submit the form, then you can schedule the meeting, and it will be scheduled for whatever location you select. So that's a good option for some of you that want to be able to provide multiple locations for people. And setting this up is super simple. So we're going to go into our calendars here. And one thing to keep in mind, when you go to create a calendar, this is only going to work with the simple calendar and the round robin calendar currently. So if you're using service, calendar, class booking, or collective booking, it's not going to work. So that's point number one. That's super important to understand. The second point that's important to understand is, let's go into the calendar here, and I will show you the second thing that you'll need to know. And that is, when you come down to the forms and payment, you have the option of selecting custom forms. This will only work with the default form. So if you have a form where you need to collect specific information, this is not going to be an available option for you. You have to select the default form. And the third one is, you have to use the newer and improved Neo widget. This gives you a lot more customization options. So it's not going to work if for some reason you want to use the classic widget, and it defaults to Neo, so that shouldn't be a problem for most of you. So to set this up, it's super simple. You just come into meeting details, and down here you can see I have my default set to Zoom. I simply select add location. You can see there's a little icon here with some additional information, and it tells you it's only supported by the Neo widget as well here as a reminder. And so when you go to add location, you can see now we have the different options here. We can select Google Meet, and then I can add another location. That can be phone, and here you can see it has the merge tag location.phone. So this is going to pull what we have set up in my profile settings automatically, or if you want to override it, you can just delete that and manually type in your phone number. You can see Google Meet also just defaults to Google Meet as well as Zoom, so there's no additional setup options there. And then you can also add your address, full address, and that's going to also pull from your location, or you can manually enter that here, and then you can delete these as well. Also, we have the option for custom. So if we do custom, you would type the link in here. That is where people would click to attend the meeting, your link. And you have the option of adding a display label. This is what's going to show on the front end. And you can say my custom meeting. And then the final location is ask the booker. And that is just going to default with a field where they can type in where they would prefer to meet. And that's it. You just save that. And then once again, as we look at it here, you can see they will just display on the front end my custom meeting location. This is the custom label, and then the elsewhere, this just opens up an additional field where they can type where they would like to meet. So Super simple to set up, and for some of you this is going to be a really great option if you have multiple ways to meet with your clients. So I recommend setting this up if that is appropriate for your needs. So that's it, guys and gals. It's super cool that we have the option to give our clients options on how they want to meet with us if that works for your business model. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget those 3 caveats that we mentioned. It's very important that you keep those in mind when you're setting this up. And so if you're not subscribed to this channel already, once again, click that subscribe button down below, leave a comment and like this video, and I will see you in the next video.